9 out of 10 drivers are leaving serious money, safety, and convenience on the table every single day. And it's all because of buttons and features they've never touched. That little tab on your key fob you've ignored for years, it just saved a guy from a $400 tow in a rainstorm last month. The button hiding in your shifter, it could have kept your car out of the impound lot. Your car is packed with 17 secret weapons that mechanics rarely mention, features designed to prevent breakdowns, slash unnecessary costs, and in some cases, literally keep you alive when things go wrong. Number 17, the hidden backup key and secret door keyhole. Picture this: your key fob battery dies in a dark parking lot, doors won't unlock, phone's about to die, most people freak out and call for help. Don't. Flip your key fob over, find that tiny release button or slide on the side and pull out the hidden metal key tucked inside. That's your emergency backup. Now, the keyhole most drivers walk right past, it's usually concealed under the driver's door handle. Run your finger along the back edge and you'll feel a small plastic cover. Pop it off, insert the key and turn, door open. No drama. A friend of mine in Florida still tells the story of the woman who dropped nearly $200 on a tow at Walmart because she had no clue this existed. The tow driver showed her in 30 seconds. She was in tears. Don't be that story. Grab your fob right now, find that key, locate the keyhole. When your fob eventually dies, and it will, you'll feel like a genius. But battery problems can get even sneakier than that. Number 16, shift lock override. Battery's dead, car won't start, and now your shifter is locked in park like it's glued there. You can't even push the car or load it on a flatbed. Modern cars do this on purpose: no power, no shifting for safety, but engineers built in a clever manual override. Look right around the base of your shifter for a small rectangular or square plastic cap. It might say shift lock or show a key icon. Pry it off gently with a key or screwdriver. Underneath you'll find a button or slot. Press and hold it while you shift into neutral. Last month, a college kid in Ohio was about to pay $200 for a tow on his Accord. His roommate quick-searched the fix, hit that button, and they rolled it to a better spot for free, jumped it the next morning. Done. That single override has saved countless drivers from bogus tow fees. Test it once so you're never stuck again. Winter driving gets dangerous fast, and your car is already trying to warn you. Number 15, the icy road dashboard warning. That little snowflake icon or squiggly road symbol that lights up when temperatures drop, it's not just a cute graphic. When it appears around 37 degrees F or lower, your car is telling you roads could already be freezing, especially bridges and overpasses that ice up before everything else. The sensor reads surface-level conditions, not just air temp, giving you real-time intel most drivers ignore. Black ice doesn't care that the air feels not that cold. Slow down, increase following distance, and drive like the road might be slick. How many of you blow past that warning thinking it's no big deal? That's exactly how people end up in ditches every winter. And if those constant alerts start driving you nuts, there's a fix. Number 14, permanently disabling lane departure warnings. Lane keep assist and departure alerts are great in theory, but for many drivers, they're constant beeps and steering nudges that get annoying fast. Most cars reset the feature every time you start up, but many let you turn it off for good. Dive into your infotainment screen under driver assistance or safety settings. Look for lane departure warning or lane keep assist and find the default off or memory option. Set it once and enjoy peaceful drives without reaching over every single time. Safety systems should work with you, not against you. Number 13, the SOS emergency call button. That SOS or phone icon on your rearview mirror or overhead console isn't just for show. One press connects you straight to emergency services with your exact GPS location. Even if you can't speak, they know where you are. Many systems also auto-detect serious crashes and call for help if airbags deploy. Last year, an elderly driver in Michigan had a stroke behind the wheel. He hit the SOS button just in time. Responders were there in minutes because they had precise coordinates. Doctors later said those minutes made all the difference. Locate that button today, know exactly how it works. In a crisis, hesitation costs lives. Your car can even protect itself when you're nowhere near it. Number 12, walkaway auto locking. You park, grab your bags, and walk toward the store. Halfway there you wonder, did I lock it? With proximity key systems, many cars automatically lock themselves the moment you walk far enough away with the fob in your pocket. No button needed. Some models even unlock automatically as you approach with your hands full, pure convenience. Check your owner's manual under Auto Lock or Walk-Away Lock and make sure it's enabled. Once it's on, you'll never second-guess yourself again. How many times have you walked back to check your car? This feature ends that habit for good. Slippery conditions don't have to ruin your day either. Number 11, traction control override. That button with the car and squiggly lines, traction control is fantastic for maintaining grip on wet or icy roads until you're stuck. When you're buried in snow, mud, or deep sand, traction control will cut power the second your wheels spin, leaving you digging deeper. Press the button to turn it off temporarily. Now you can rock the car back and forth and get moving. A woman in Colorado spun her tires for 20 minutes in her own driveway after a storm before a tow driver showed up, hit the traction control button, and she drove out in seconds. She paid $150 for a lesson that was already built into her car. Turn it back on as soon as you're free, it's there for a reason on the road. Parking doesn't have to be nerve-wracking anymore. Number 10, reverse tilt-down side mirrors. Tight parking spots, narrow driveways, high curbs, one bad guess and you're looking at scraped rims or worse. Many cars let you program the passenger mirror to automatically tilt down when you shift into reverse, giving you a perfect view of your rear wheel and the curb. Shift to reverse, adjust the mirror to see the tire, and on most models that position saves automatically. Every reverse from then on gives you the perfect angle. Curb rash costs drivers hundreds of millions every year. This one setup prevents most of it. Night driving just got way less stressful too. Number 9, auto-dimming rearview mirror. Bright headlights behind you at night turning your mirror into a blinding spotlight, an auto-dimming mirror handles it silently. It uses sensors on both sides, one reading ambient light ahead, one detecting glare behind, and darkens instantly to protect your vision. No more flipping that little tab manually, just pure comfort and safer driving. And while we're talking night visibility, don't overlook this next one. Number 8, headlight leveling adjustment. If oncoming drivers keep flashing you and you're not on high beams, your headlights are probably aimed too high. Look low on the left side of your dash near your knee for a small dial with numbers and a headlight symbol. Heavy cargo in the trunk lifts the rear and pitches your headlights upward. Twist that dial down a notch or two to correct the angle. Empty car, set it back to 0. Simple adjustment, better road manners, and fewer angry drivers coming at you. Number 7, key fob panic button as emergency flashlight. The red panic button that makes your car honk and flash, it's more useful than you think. Walking to your car in a dark lot or garage, hit it. Your headlights and taillights start flashing, turning your vehicle into a massive, reliable light source. Dropped your keys under the car, need to check something at night, hands full, instant illumination. Feeling uneasy? The noise and lights draw attention fast. One button, multiple life-saving uses. Number 6, hidden remote start on the key fob. Think your car doesn't have remote start? Check again. Many factory key fobs hide it behind a simple sequence, often lock, then hold lock again for a few seconds. Winter mornings, start it from inside and climb into a warm car. Summer afternoons, cool it down before you ever touch the scorching seat. One mechanic told me about a customer who spent $400 on an aftermarket system only to discover the factory version was already there. Don't make that mistake, check your manual today. Number 5, auto-folding mirrors. Narrow streets and crowded parking lots are murder on side mirrors. Program your mirrors to fold automatically every time you lock the car. They tuck in safely, reducing the chance of someone clipping them. Most systems unfold again when you unlock. Set it once in the mirror settings menu and never worry about it again. Insurance data shows folded mirrors significantly cut parking lot damage, and replacement mirrors with cameras and heating elements aren't cheap. Number 4. The black frit dots on your windshield. Those black dots and gradient pattern around the edge of your windshield aren't decoration. They're called frits. They block UV rays from degrading the adhesive that holds the glass in place, preventing leaks, water damage, mold, and rust down the road. The gradient also reduces optical distortion, so your vision stays clear near the edges. Quietly working every mile you drive, those dots are protecting your windshield investment and your safety. Number 3. The extendable swing-out sun visor. Sun in your eyes from the side, don't squint. Pull the visor down, then unclip it and swing it all the way to the side window. Many visors also slide out for extra coverage. Glare causes thousands of accidents yearly. Use every angle your visor offers. It's a legitimate safety tool, not just a front blocker. Number 2. Adjustable steering feel settings. Some cars let you dial in exactly how your steering feels, light and easy for city driving or heavier and sportier for back roads. Often tied to drive modes, sport, comfort, eco, but many let you customize steering independently. Love the efficiency of eco but hate the numb steering? Fix it in the Vehicle Dynamics menu. One driver almost returned her new SUV thinking the steering was faulty until the mechanic showed her the setting. Problem solved in seconds. Number 1. Double tap your hazard lights for emergency attention. Here's the one I've been building toward. Your hazard lights can do more than signal you're broken down. On many cars, quickly double tapping the hazard button triggers a faster, more urgent flashing pattern that cuts through traffic noise and grabs immediate attention. Regular hazards get ignored. This emergency mode stands out. A few weeks ago in Texas, a passenger used the double tap during her husband's heart attack. The intense flashing caught an off-duty paramedic who called for help and stayed with them. That detail may have saved his life. Test your hazards right now. Know this mode exists. In a true emergency, seconds matter. There you have it, 17 hidden features that separate smart drivers from everyone else on the road. If even one of these surprised you, smash that like button. Drop a comment below. Which feature did you not know about? I'm guessing the shift lock override gets a lot of votes. Check your owner's manual, test these out safely, and start using what your car already gives you. If you want more hidden maintenance secrets and myth-busting videos, hit subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe out there.